Okay, so the HLK Wolf base. Okay, to start out, the neck needed to be adjusted. It was too tight, so I loosened it, got everything straightened out, so it's straight now. The string height out of box was 7/64. As you run my bases at 5, between 5/64, 6/64. I put it at 5/64. Plays fine. I gotta check the pickup height. I'm not sure about the pickup height yet. I think it's actually too low, but the controls work fine. Volume, tone. The machine heads are great. They're very nice and tight. Don't see any problems with it ever going out of tune anytime soon. And they're open faced. Pretty much that's it. There's no problems with any of the paint job. None of the stuff was loose. Nothing was loose. Strings were loose when it came, which was good. Prefer that when they're shipping it. It came from California, so maybe that's why the neck needed to be adjusted, but everything is working good. No buzzing frets and no dead frets. None of them all dressed fine. None of them will cut you to ribbons, which is good. Either side, very happy with that. So all in all, goodbye.